Hello friends, we continue our journey of vocabulary building. This is a fourth session for developing the clarity among confusing words. Let's begin. Stay with me. जो वर्ड आपने स्क्रीन ઉપર દેખાય પહેલા આપ વિચારજો કે ડુ યુ નો ધી મીનિંગ અથવા તમારા માઇન્ડમાં આ વર્ડ માટે શું અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડિંગ છે, રાઈટ? અને then we will understand in a better way. Very simple, between, among and amongst. ગુજરાતી મીનિંગ તમને ખ્યાલ જ હશે, બધાનો મતલબ એવો જ થાય કોમન કે વચ્ચે. Keep this matter between us. This matter should be there among students, amongst all students એવો થાય. એટલે બેઝિકલી બધાનો મતલબ છે વચ્ચે, પણ when there is a communication or matter of only two persons, then we use between, right? Similarly, બે થી વધારેની વાત હોય કે આ વાત આટલા લોકો વચ્ચે જ રહેવી જોઈએ, તો among. There is a thin difference, almost same meaning among and amongst. When there is a word સ્ટેટમેન્ટમાં જ્યાં પણ આપણે amongst યુઝ કરતા હોઈએ ત્યાં વર્ડની પહેલા વોવેલ આવે, એટલે amongst all students, amongst પછી જે ઇમિડિયેટ વર્ડ આવે છે all, તો એ વોવેલથી શરૂ થાય છે, એ આ યુ થી શરૂ થતો હોય તો એમાં amongના બદલે amongst યુઝ થાય, અધરવાઇઝ મિનિંગ ઇઝ સેમ, રાઈટ? Between, matter for any two persons, between two of us, among all, amongst all, and among students, right? બે થી વધારેની વાત હોય તો among કે amongst આવે. Clear? Very simple. Similarly, you know, each other and one another. Each other is used when there is a matter of only two persons. We like each other. And when there is a matter of more than two persons, we used one another, right? Next. Borrow and borrow. Borrow is borrowing. લેન્ડ અને બોરો જે કહીએ છીએ ને આપણે, કંઈ ઉધાર લેવું, બોરોઈંગ. બેંકમાંથી બોરોઈંગ છે, એમનું કંઈ બોરોઈંગ છે, એમનું કંઈ ઉધાર છે, લોકોનું લીધેલું તો ચૂકવી દેવું જોઈએ, એ બોરો, રાઈટ? અને સેકન્ડ ઇઝ બરો, BURROW. બરો મીન્સ a big hole. Especially this is used when animals make their own space for their stay. For rabbit or fox, એ લોકો પોતાની એક જગ્યા બનાવતા હોય છે જમીનમાં, નાનું એવું બખોલ જેવું, એના માટે બરો શબ્દ વપરાય છે, રાઈટ? Complacent and complacent, almost same pronunciation also, same meaning also, and there is a very thin difference. Generally this word is not very much in use, so difficult to understand and to remember also, but try, revise again and again, so it will be helpful. Complacent is a matter of self satisfaction. પોતાની જાત માટે જે સંતોષ હોય, એ પોતાનો આત્મસંતોષ વ્યક્ત કરવો એ complacent, right? After winning 4 consecutive tournaments, a team had a very complacent behavior or nature. Second is when you are doing for someone, willing to please, complacent, જ્યાં s આવે. Willing to please, local people or audience or listeners were complacent to motivate the speaker, right? For example, students are complacent for the trainer, right? So there is a thin difference. First is for expressing the own or self-esteem or self-confidence or self-satisfaction. Second is willing to please others, right? This is the difference. Next. Similar one. Frequently used, frequently listened. This word is frequently heard. Compliment. Compliments. When you get some cards, greetings, there is a word in advertisements we frequently observe, best compliments from. તો એ આ બેમાંથી કયું હોય? Which spelling? Best compliments is which one? Second one, COMPLIMENT. કોઈને કોમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ કરીએ છીએ, કોઈને વિશ કરીએ છીએ, કોઈને ગ્રીટ કરીએ છીએ, this is compliments, that is greeting. This is second one. And first, compliment is similar to supplement, additional, extra. કોમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ્સ ઓફ ફૂડ આપણે નથી કહેતા કંઈક દવાઓ આવે, વધારાનું સાહિત્ય આવે. These are the food supplements or food compliments. That is the first one, additional, વધારાનું, extra, compliments. કોમ્પ્લિમેન્ટરી આપીએ છીએ, કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ આવે તો જોડે કંઈ કોમ્પ્લિમેન્ટરી આવે. This is free, you take it. If you have purchased this much, this is complimentary. So that is first one, right? Something extra, additional, added feature, or added something more. And second is greetings, right? Next, symmetry and symmetry and symmetry. First is symmetry and second is symmetry. First is a large burial place કે જ્યાં એક સાથે અગ્નિદાહ અપાતો હોય કે એક સાથે કંઈ પણ આપણે ફાયર કરી શકતા હોઈએ. ઇટ્સ a graveyard basically. Cemetery, army cantonment, this word is frequently used. Second is symmetry. Symmetry is there is some harmony, there is some pattern, symmetric, right, of similar kind. Clear? Second word is more common. Hope you all know this. Let us move. Simple, CHECK, CHEQE. First, check means to test, to examine, to evaluate. Check કરવું, assess કરવું, right? Second, check is a complimentary or promissory note. બેંકની જે ચેક બુકની વાત છે, a conditional promise, a promissory note. CHEQE જે બેંકમાં યુઝ થાય, ચેક બુક, that is check, CHEQE, correct? Let's move. Collision and collusion. Think. Have you heard of these words? What is in your mind about these words? First, collision, અથડાવું, ટક્કર, to collide. બંનેનો મતલબ એવો જ થાય છે, અથડામણ. પણ જ્યાં ફિઝિકલ હોય ત્યાં કોલિઝન, right? And second is collusion is an intellectual fight or thought or differences. That is collusion. There is some confusion, there is some havoc, that is differences in thought process and controversies. That is collusion. That is second one. And first is physical collision, right? Clear? Contagious and contagious. Contagious is a very famous word, frequently used word. અફેક્ટ થઈ એવું આપણે કહીએ કે કોઈનાથી અફેક્ટ થતા હોઈએ. કોન્ટેજિયસ ડિસીઝ, ચેપી રોગ છે, એકબીજાના સંપર્કમાં આવવાથી જે થાય, રિલેટેડ ટુ કોન્ટેક્ટ. Something which spreads through contacts, that is known as contagious, right? spreading through contacts. Second one is contagious. Altogether different meaning. Contagious is neighbor, side by side, neighboring. Like Arab Sagar is contagious to Indian Ocean. Right? There are 15 contiguous words in this presentation. Clear? Hope you understood. Keep practicing. Core and corpse. Core means there are 2-3 meanings, but 2-3 ways it can be used. Core means very important, special, main, significant. This is core area of this topic. આખો લેક્ચર હોય પણ આ 20 મિનિટ બહુ ક્રુશિયલ છે. મેઇન કોર પાર્ટ ઓફ ધીસ ચેપ્ટર. ઓર યુ કેન સે આખો લેખ લખ્યો પણ એક પેરેગ્રાફ બહુ જ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે. કોર પેરેગ્રાફ ઓફ ધીસ એન્ટાયર આર્ટિકલ. Right, this is one. Second, it is used like crust જે છે આખો અર્થનો કે કોઈ મેટલ કે કોઈ ઓર હોય તો એનો જે મેઇન પાર્ટ હોય એકદમ જે substance, main substance, that is also known as core. In the surface layers also this word is used. This is core part. Second, corpse is altogether different word, means a dead body, especially for human men. Corpse. All right. Next, session and session. Again, different meanings. Think the one which we think is second one, a special period or special time dedicated to a particular object or a subject, that is session. At present you are undergoing a session on vocabulary building, right? So that is second one. First session is separation, participation. Differentiation, it's a participation. To end, right? Hope it gives a clarity. SESSION, session, to bring to an end, to discontinue something. Next, current and current. Only one difference, there is a E or A, not much. First, current is a flow or stream of anything. हम जनरली बोलते हैं करंट आया. अब एक्चुअली करंट को इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मान लेना जरूरी नहीं है. इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट दैट. करंट इज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, इट कैन बी ऑफ वाटर, इट कैन बी ऑफ एयर, एनीथिंग. सो करंट इज रिलेटेड टू फ्लो, स्ट्रीम, राइट? दैट इज करंट. CURRENT जो हम डे टू डे यूज करते हैं. सेकंड वन CURRANT, it's like a small black grape, a seedless fruit. There is a name of a fruit, CURRANT, right? Clear? CURRANT. Current is a name of fruit, आपने आइसक्रीम खाया होगा ब्लैक करंट, वो सेकंड वाला करंट है, फर्स्ट वाला नहीं। ठीक है, चलिए CEASE सीज एंड ACIZE सीज। बोलिए क्या मीनिंग होगा? आपने सुना है कौन सा वाला सीज? बिल्डिंग सीज हो गया, सीज कर दिया, कॉरपोरेशन ने सीज कर दिया, वो कौन सा सीज है आपने सुना है? सेकंड वाला, यस और नो? वो सेकंड वाला सीज है कि बिल्डिंग सीज हो गया, टू होल्ड समथिंग एज इट इज, और टू स्टॉप और टू होल्ड, दैट इज अ सीज। कोई भी चीज को सीज कर देना, स्टॉप कर देना, होल्ड कर देना। ठीक है, एंड द फर्स्ट वन इज CEASE, टू ब्रिंग टू एन एंड। इट सीज्ड मतलब टू एंड, टू कंक्लूड, टू स्टॉप। राइट, क्लियर? नेक्स्ट वर्ड, कंसर्ट। सुना होगा म्यूजिकल कंसर्ट। एक से ज्यादा लोग एक साथ अपने आप को हार्मोनाइज करने की कोशिश करते हैं, म्यूजिकल परफॉर्मेंस होता है म्यूजिकल कंसर्ट। इट्स अ परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ मोर देन one individuals with more than one band, that is concert. And second is consort, is related to a partner, companion, marriage partner, my consort. It may be a मेल और फीमेल, आपका जो भी लाइफ पार्टनर है उसके लिए आप यूज कर सकते हो कंसॉर्ट। ओके, नेक्स्ट DEFY, DeFi and DEIFY। यस, DEFY मीन्स, सुना है, कभी यूज किया है वर्ड, यू नो द मीनिंग? To refuse, to challenge, not to obey, that is the first one, to object, defy। और सेकंड जो है, एक आई बीच में ऐड हुआ है बट मीनिंग पूरा रिवर्स हो जाता है, ऑपोजिट, टू वर्शिप, टू प्रे, टू सरेंडर, that is second one, and first one is to rebel, to oppose, to object, to challenge, defy। okay, next DEFER and DIFFER। क्या होगा? DEFER, आई डिफर विथ योर ओपिनियन, मेरा मेरा मानना अलग है, मैं आपकी बात से सहमत नहीं हूं, आई डिफर। वो कौन सा वाला बताओ, फर्स्ट या सेकंड? इट इज सेकंड। ओके, इट इज सेकंड वन। I differ, DIFFER is second one, and the first one क्या होगा? DEFER, I differ means it is to postpone, it is to delay, the meeting is deferred at a later time, later stage, it is deferred मतलब to delay, to postpone। clear? altogether different meanings, spelling में second में I है, DIFFER, that is change the opinion, different view, right? So these kind of words will continue, keep on studying. There is an ocean as and when the time permits, mood permits, you should keep on revising. I am sure it will help you. Be connected, subscribe the channel and stay connected for any